Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade tomato sauce without onion and garlic. We'll start by selecting the freshest ingredients to ensure a rich flavor. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, a handful of fresh basil, and a good quality extra virgin olive oil. A small carrot or a stalk of celery can add a wonderful, natural sweetness to your sauce, balancing the acidity perfectly. This simple approach guarantees a fantastic base for many meals. Now let's prepare our star ingredient, the tomatoes. First, wash and core them, then make a small X incision on the bottom of each. Briefly blanch them in boiling water for about 30 seconds, then immediately plunge them into an ice bath. This thermal shock makes peeling the skins incredibly easy. Once peeled, roughly chop your tomatoes. Don't worry about perfection, as they will break down beautifully during cooking. With your tomatoes ready, it's time to cook. Heat about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped tomatoes, fresh basil leaves, and a half teaspoon of salt. If you're using a carrot or celery for sweetness, grate it finely and add it now. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for at least 45 minutes, stirring occasionally until it thickens and the flavors meld. Once your sauce has simmered and developed its rich flavor, give it a taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. You might want a little more salt or a tiny pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. For a smoother consistency, you can use an immersion blender directly in the pot or pass it through a food mill. Allow the sauce to cool completely before storing it. It keeps well in the refrigerator for up to 5 days or can be frozen for several months, ready for your next meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.